Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I want to show you a third live trade today. We just got in and on limit. Move my stop loss. And I'm looking at a failed second entry short, second entry long, high or low. See, I've got this bigger key entry point here. It may be valid, but anyway, if you look from the low here, you got a first entry, second entry, and then from the long side, also a second entry long. Got this flatter uptrend. It looks like we just came off the key entry point of that. Plus we bounced at the EMA, and like I mentioned, maybe this larger key entry point. I just drew it off the lows of the day, so it's probably not valid, but I got it drawn. You can see we were kind of in this range, but now we're making higher highs and higher lows, so I'm okay buying into this somewhat previous resistance. Let me adjust my ATR. Sorry, my profit target. The ATR is around 9.5, so I'm gonna go for 5. Anyway, yeah, we're in this range, but we started making higher highs and higher lows, so I'm okay buying into this previous resistance because we kind of pushed through it already. Setup bar is the wrong color, but it's just almost formed like a little double trap. On the setup bar, it ticked higher, reversed all the way down, and then came all the way back up again. So it was almost like a two-sided trap. It's interesting the way it formed. So if you saw that, I think this is okay to take. Normally you want the signal bar to be the opposite color of the setup bar, but in this case I think it was okay because of the way the bar moved. And let's see if we can get these 5 ticks. It looks like it touched our order. Let's just see the bigger picture here. You can see where I started it down here at the low of the day. And now it's confirming that, and it looks rather nice, really. Prices have been chopping sideways now for a while, but still a little upward tilt to it. This will be my last trade of the day if this is successful. Well, successful or not, this is my last trade today. It looks like we're going to get the scalp. Prices have really slowed down today. It's been doing that in the afternoons, or late morning, I should say, and then into the afternoons it's been getting a lot slower. Volatility has been coming down as well, which I'm fine with. The high volatility and quick volume can be kind of difficult to trade in. You got to think really fast and sometimes risk a lot more. So I'm okay with this little bit slower paced market, personally. And now it's kind of backing up, but hopefully we'll push up and get the scalp. I could have entered on a better limit, but I just kind of was late to this. I saw it at the last second, and I wanted to let it break above again just to be sure that I was seeing it right. We did get a good entry bar close. I like how it closed more bullish. There we go. We do get the scalp as well. Let's see if we can get. I'm going to have to move this manually. I was using my 6-tick ATM, so I had to move the stop loss manually there. And it looks like it's bouncing at this larger key entry point. So we've got a gap on the chart. I drew it here, this red line. It's from many days ago. So maybe we will take one of the runners there. I suspect prices will want to fill this gap. The other one, we've got a long way to the measure move. I doubt it gets there. It's slowed down so much, but we'll trail that one too and see if we can get anything good. If this is a larger key entry point, it may really bounce a lot higher. Just kind of a late swing to be confirming it. Feels usually you want more confirmation before that. And there is some resistance here, but I think there's a good chance we'll push through it. Problem now is prices are moving so slow. If we get a big runner, this could be a really long video. Several good setups this morning. In between the last video, the trade I took, the 2 trades, and in between that and this video, there was one more setup I saw that was, I tried to get in and on a limit order. It's kind of congested like yesterday, but there was a big, huge bullish reversal bar that bounced off the support, and it was a failed second entry short, so I think it was decent. And our runner gets hit there, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Second entry long, failed second entry short. Y'all have a great weekend. See ya.